Hello students, good morning. Let us see some more concepts in this. You see different types of nuclei, different types of nucleus types. Generally, how you write, we have taken an element, let us say, the format is like this, isn't it? This A means atomic mass number and this is atomic number. It gives you the idea about number of protons or electrons. This, what is this A? A is Z plus N. N is the number of neutrons. So if you know A, if you know Z, you can find out the value of number of protons. Now let us say you have lithium 6 and lithium 7. Okay? You can see that these two are same. What is same? Z is same. So same Z, right? That means same number of protons, same number of protons and electrons. It is 3, 3. Okay. So here this is different. This is same. Okay. So same Z, but different A. Okay. So these types are called isotopes. Okay. So this is one type of nucleus classification. Now let's say we take chlorine 1737 and potassium, right? If you observe here Z is not same, but you take the difference, 37 minus 17 is 20, 39 minus 19 it is 20, both are same. So number of neutrons are same. Okay, number of neutrons are same. Now these types are called isotopes. Okay, so now understood the difference between isotopes and isotopes. Then you have, let us say you take argon and calcium. Calcium also is 40, I think, no? Calcium is 40. If you see these two, here you have got same A, but different Z. So what are these called? These are called isobars. Okay. These type of elements are called where the value of A is same, but you have got a different Z value. So here if you see your A value is same means neither the protons are matching nor the neutrons are matching. So these types come under this classification isobars. Now these are just couple of examples I am showing you. If you see your periodic table, there will be some other examples also. So then you take bromine. Bromine is 3580. Now when you take bromine, if you consider the ground state and a metastable state. What is the ground state? Ground state is having least energy. Okay. Now this is also, there is a case of, there is an internal equilibrium. Okay. If I have to tell you this with a simple example, imagine there is a ball on top of a hill. Now right now this is stable only, but with a slight push it will fall down. It becomes unstable. So metastable is something analogous to that type of situation. Now here the nucleus is both, even though this Z and A are same only, but the nucleus behaves in a different way when it is a ground state and in its metastable state. So this type of things, this type of nucleus are called isomers. Isomers. This is isobars, this is isotones, this is isotopes. Okay? And there is one more classification. Look here. You have thorium. Thorium is how much? 90 to 34, and you have got uranium. It is 90 to 238. Okay. Now just calculate the how many neutrons are there. 234 minus 90. How many are there? So this is 4. 23 minus 9 is 144. Now here you calculate 238 minus 92. So 8 minus 2 6. 23 minus 9 146. Okay. Now you calculate the excess. See, this is the number of protons and number of neutrons is this. So neutrons are in excess of 9, in excess of the number of protons. So how many excess of neutrons are there? If you consider this case, thorium, here I am writing neutrons are 144. Okay. So neutrons are more than protons. How many more are there? 144 minus 90. So it is how much? 4. 14 minus 54. And here you see how many neutrons are there? Here neutrons are 146. So how many extra neutrons are there here? 146 minus 92. So 6 minus 2 4. It is 54. These two numbers are matching. Such type of elements, you know, this and this, both are radioactive in nature. You know, when this atomic mass number is increasing and very high, so they have a tendency to naturally disintegrate, decay. Okay, they try to become into more stable versions. So this type of nucleus are called isodiaphiles. Okay, so these, any question asked on this, you should be able to understand. I have told you 5. Total 5 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Understood what is isodiaphiles? Isodiaphiles, the number of excess neutrons number matches. So this is the classification. Just make a